Well, we have a great project for your kids or for your families, our kindergarten segment. And so it's leaf painting. And you know, Father's Day is coming and you can make that for cards for dad or for any occasion. So the first step is to go out in your garden and pick leaves. So we have Dean helping us. And so Dean, which leaf did you pick?
I picked these tiny leaves, which will really help. I picked a cactus plant and a strawberry plant.
Ah, and William, what did you pick?
I got a geranium leaf and a wonderful grape leaf.
All right, and so I picked Japanese maple. So what we want to do is, you can use any kind of paint. We're using acrylic paint or you can use tempera paints. And what you want to do, what we found best, is use the top of the leaf, not the bottom of the leaf, but the top. So you get a little bit of paint on your brush and you actually paint it right on the leaf. Dean, you want to help?
Yes, sure.
You can
And
take
so
one of
you
yours.
paint it right on there and get as much on all the way to the tips. And you're going to get it on your fingers a little bit, but that's okay because it's going to wash right up.
You gotta get messy sometimes.
I
You
guess you
do,
do.
for sure. So what you're going to do is then put it on top of the paper. So it's really easy to use the paper for a card. You just use any kind of paper stock that you have at home. And William, show us. So you want to fold it in half for a big card. And just so one fold in half. And then if you want to make a smaller one,
You want to fold that one?
Yes, sure.
There
you
go,
just
Dina.
fold it again. So pretty easy.
It really is easy.
If you try to get it right.
There you go. And so we're painting our leaves. And then, Dean, you want to put your strawberry leaf on one of the papers? You got all your paint on there?
I'll finish off the blue first.
I have
Okay.
all mine on, Judy.
All right, William, I'm going to give you this wax paper.
So now what do I do with this wax paper?
You put the wax paper right on top of that leaf, and
Okay.
you want to cover it. And then you take a rolling pin
You want to roll it, Dino?
and then just roll it because you want that paint to be transferred from the leaf onto the paper.
Just one
Just
time
once
then?
or twice. And now take off the wax paper. And now you want to also lift that leaf off as soon as possible because you don't want it to dry onto the paper. Okay, and now Dean, you put yours down and here's some wax paper. Put it right on top.
Did you want me to roll on yours, Dino?
Sure.
Okay.
Hold on yours.
It's great to do it with a bunch of people because you have lots of help here.
And lots of fun.
Yeah, there. And okay, now lift off the wax paper and then lift off your leaf. And voila, look at that. You have two different colors. And if you don't have a rolling pin, you can just press down with your hand. And remember to use a little bit less paint because it's better for the prints. And so then you let it dry, and then once it's dry, you open it up and you can write Dear Dad, or maybe to Grandma, it's her birthday, any kind of holiday that you want to send cards. It's really easy project. Do it with friends, do it with family, and you have cards to send to all of those friends and family. For step-by-step instructions, you can go to gardentime.tv. Well, thanks everybody.
Thank you, Judy.
You're welcome.